Alright, here we have this Goodman at the motel that I'm staying at. It's a 4-bladed one. What the? It has not even been running. 2009 4-ton. Don't know what kind of refrigerant. Well, actually, I can look on the. It is 410A. Broad ocean fan motor. I think it has a Copeland scroll. Yep. Nice. And it's a straight cool unit. Yeah, this thing has not been running. And I don't know how that works, but there's actually some cut insulation as well. So yeah, see if there's another unit. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.